Hi my dear students, welcome to our online classes. Students, successfully we completed our two chapter. Yes or no? That is, first one is living, non-living, and second one is types of plant. So all the things, all the chapter are connected with the plants, how we and plants are living things and types of plants. Okay. So today we will study a new chapter. Everyone ready to study a new chapter? Very good. So this chapter also belongs to the plants. We all have discussed the types of plants also living things and parts of plants. Now today we are going to study how a plants grow. Okay, how a plants grow from seeds. Got it, students? So like this, before going to start this lesson, student, can anyone thought about this, how a plants growing and where the plants growing, where a baby plants is getting birth? So can anyone thought about the plants? Okay, we all of you are observing the plants everywhere, but can anyone thought that where a baby plant, how a baby plant is getting birth and how a baby plant is growing up? Can anyone thought? No. So today I will clear your all doubts. Okay, students? So before going to start this lesson, we will discuss about ourselves. Okay, students? We know that all the mother are giving a baby child, giving a birth to a baby child. We all this know. We all are, when you are a small children in your neighborhood or in your home also, you know that all the mothers are giving a baby small, giving birth a small child or baby child. All of you know that, yes or no? So this is the our human beings, means our human beings are getting birth from the mother. Okay, so like this, a mother is giving birth to a baby child. Like this, all birds lays eggs. From that eggs, the small birds, baby birds are getting birth from the egg. All of you know. So like this, students, we have to think that how a plants growing. Okay, and where the plants growing and who is giving birth or who is giving birth to a baby plant. Yes or no? Understood? So today we will study about our plant, how a plants. So that is third chapter and lesson 1, how a plants grow from a seed. Okay, so first of all we will study plants grow from seeds. So here seeds means, we know many seeds we saw, the many fruits we know, many fruits, vegetables and other things we know. Inside that vegetables, inside that fruits, there is a seeds. I showed you before also and I told you also. So these, from these seeds, how a plants grow. Today we will know about this. Okay, students. So start. Here you see there are two brother and sister, and find out place where the plants don't grow. Arjus goes through the many plant books on the plants. This is what she finds out. Okay, plants grow everywhere, on land as well as in water. There are plants in forests and gardens. Means plants grow everywhere. You look at outside, students, plants will grow everywhere, everywhere. Wherever you will observe, wherever you will see, all places are plants are there. It may be a big plant, it may be a small plant. Yes or no, student? Look at outside. You yourself look at outside and observe yourself. Okay, try to find out. Wherever you will see, there is a small plant, you will be find out. Yes or no? So plants grow everywhere. It may be a land as well as in water also. Water means pond, any other water in your borewell, near to your borewell, near to pond, near to other water bodies. So everywhere plants are there. There are plants in forest also. Forest we know, forest also, and gardens also. Garden in your garden, in your school garden, in your park also. desert area. Desert means desert where the only sands are there, no water, nothing, not other tree. Desert area also where is the all the part or the area where is full of sands. Okay, so in that area also plants are there. Okay, they will grow. And mountain also, you know, mountain hills also plants will go. Full of mountains is full of tree. All mountains and all hills are full of plants, that is called tree also. Along the seashore also, seashore means sea, this is the sea or oceans near to the sea, that is called seashore. And the near the seashore also plants will grow. Okay, and on river bank, on river bank, river, you know, river bank means near to river, that is called river bank. On that river bank also plant will grow. And plants also grow in deserted buildings and all broken down. Okay, so plant also grow deserted building and all broken down. That means you might have observed, if you might have seen also different homes, other home they have already, it may be a old home or somewhat broken home. In that broken home some plants will be grow. And some of the nearer the walls or border, you just observe that some of the plants, small plants, they will grow. Means plant will grow everywhere. You also observe, I am telling again and again, everywhere you observe, anywhere you will get a small plant or a big plant. Yes or no? So plants will grow everywhere. It may be a land, it may be water, it may be seashore, it may be river bank, it may be desert area, it may be the old broken home also. Okay, so everywhere the plants will grow. So we come to know plants will grow everywhere, but human beings not will grow everywhere. Okay, so like this, students, we will study about today the plants grow everywhere. First of all, we can say plants grow everywhere. Plants grow, GROW, grow everywhere. Okay, everywhere. That means, what are the things everywhere means? It may be on land, in water, forests, gardens, 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 parks, desert area, DESERTS. Desert area means full of, FULL, full of sand. Okay, that is called desert area. Mountains, MOUNTAINS, mountains. Seashore, SEASHORE, seashore. And river bank, RIVER, river banks. And old broken, BROKEN, broken home. Okay, or houses, or you can say walls also, WALLS. Okay, walls. So these are the area where plants will grow. Okay, gardens, park, desert means full of sands, mountains, seashore, river bank, and old broken home, houses or walls. So these are the things where the plants will grow. Okay, so plants will grow everywhere. First of all, plants will grow everywhere. You see the students, I told you once again, I read the books. Plants grow everywhere, on land as well as in water, where all the plants, forest and gardens, desert and mountains, along the seashore and on the river banks. Plants also grow in deserted buildings, old broken down. Old broken means old broken houses. If you have old house, old broken houses, you just observe there are some plants will be grow. everywhere. Now it is also rainy season, you can find out everywhere plant will grow. It may be a small plant, it may be a big plant. So plants grow everywhere. See student, I will tell you, look at the books very carefully. Pot walls, see different pots, see how a wall or pot, it is a wood pot, how the small plants they are growing. That means everywhere plants will grow. And under rocks, under rock also there are the rocks, and you might have seen, observe also, if you will put some rocks, if you will saw in outside in on a road or in near to your home, there are some rock, in that under the rock the some small plants will be grow too. See, observe that picture. Okay, now we will come to the dash. That picture is showing which picture, which plant? Very good, it is a palm and coconut plant grow along with the coast area. Coast area means where the sea is there, that means it is a sea or oceans, that is called where coast area. We can say where the water is full of water body. Okay, full of water body, that we can say the coconut, COCUNUT, coconut, palms, PALM, palm tree. Coconut and palm tree grows along the coast, COAST, coast area. See, that is called coast area, means here water bodies are there. Okay, where the full of water bodies is there, we can say coast area, means we can say seas and ocean are the coast area. Along this area who will grow, which type of plant? Coconut and palm tree will be grow. That coconut and palm, COCUNT, coconut, sorry, coconut, and palm, PALM, palm. This is the coconut tree, this is the palm tree. Okay, grow along the coast area. Coast area means where the very much lots of water are there. Okay, next will come this is the pine tree. Okay, this is the pine tree, means we have to find out which tree. Already figure is given, picture is also given, we have to identify the picture. That pine tree grows in the mountain. When in mountain area, especially mountain area, which type of plant will grow? Which type of pine tree? Okay, PINE, pine trees grows in the mountain, MOUNTAINS, mountains. Okay students, that means the pine trees grows in the mountain. Picture already given, we have to identify the picture and we have to say the name of the picture and we have to fill in the blanks. That is the pine tree. So the pine trees grows in the mountain area. Okay, which type of plant grows in where? How we are giving birth, means some of the child giving birth in home, some of the getting birth from the hospital, like this. The some of the plants are growing the coastal area, some of the plants are growing mountain area, some of the plants are growing walls, and other are the rocks, under the rocks. So like this different types of plants, they are growing in different area. Okay, now we will come to next, identify the picture. What is the picture name? It is a thorn like plant, means thorn are there, then we can say this is the cactus, cactus, cactus plant. This name is cactus plant, grow in the desert. Only you see the sands are there. I told you sand, desert area, this is called desert, DESERTS, desert area, means where no soil is there, no water is there. So in this type of area, which plant will grow? Cactus plant. Okay, cactus plant are there, cactus plants will grow. Understood students? So how is this possible, means different types of plants grow in different area everywhere. How is this possible? It is possible. How we will study? This is possible as well. Plants need the same things to grow. Okay, as this is possible, all the plants need the same things to grow, means all the plants need same things to grow. Okay, means we can, after reading this book, there's some question also coming to your mind, how the all plants growing in all area, means all type of area, how it is possible? Because plants need same things to grow everywhere. Okay, plant does not need in different things to grow in different areas. Same things need, plants need same things need to grow everywhere. Okay, so it is possible all the plants can grow in everywhere. Okay, so we can find out, we can observe also all the plants in everywhere, because the plants need same thing to grow. Okay, understood? How human, just example I am telling, we need water, food and light to grow, but animal also need water, food, but we need chapati or different kinds of, but different animals need different types of foods, means grass or other materials, grains, they to grow. So like this, but we have some difference. Okay, but plants, there is no difference, all the plants need same thing to grow. So all the plants we can find out everywhere. Understood? Very clearly, you just listen carefully what I am teaching and try to understand. Okay, so this is the plants grow from the seed, means first of all today we will study about the plants grow everywhere, means land, water, forest, garden, park, desert means full of sand, mountains, seashore, river bank and old broken home or house or walls. In that place plant will grow everywhere. Okay, so next class student, understood? First of all today only we discussed about plants to grow everywhere, that only we have studied, means different places, we can say land, water, forest, garden, parks, desert and full of sand, mountains, seashore, river bank and old banks, home, houses, walls. So these are the places where plant can grow. Okay, students, next class we will study how a plants grow from seed. Okay, see, it is a plant. Okay, that plants are how a plant grow from a seeds. I will show you today. See, this is the seeds, you see, this is the chili, inside the chili, this is the chili seeds. Look at very carefully, this is the, see very carefully here student, this is the chili seeds, inside that chili these are the seeds. Okay, and this is the grams, this is the gram seeds and this is the mung seeds. Okay, so these are the called seeds, and this is the lemon fruit, you know, lemon, inside lemon that is the seeds will come, how it's like apple seeds. Okay, so these are called seeds. From these seeds how a plants growing, next class we will discuss. Understood students? So these are the seeds, how a plant grow from these seeds. Okay, from chili seeds chili plants will grow, from gram seed gram plant will grow, from lemon seeds lemon plant will be grow, how it will grow, and this process next class I will tell you. Only today you just know plants grow everywhere and plants grow from seed, how a child getting birth from their mothers, like this a plants grow from their seeds. Okay, this is the different types of seeds, this is the lemon seed, this is the, see, this is the, once again I repeat, this is the lemon seed, this is the gram seed, this is the gram seed and this is the chili seeds. Okay, and this is the mung seeds. Okay, this is the mung seeds. So from these seeds plant will grow. Okay, from these seeds plant will grow. See, from these seeds, from lemon seeds lemon tree will grow, from gram seed gram tree will grow, from chili seeds chili plants will grow, from mung seeds mung plant will be grow. So next class student I will tell you how a plants growing from these seeds. Understood students? So I hope all of you students understood very well today's chapter, that is today's lesson was how a plants growing everywhere and how a plants growing from seeds. Only this much today we will study. Next class I will show you properly, I will tell you how a plants growing, and for grow a plant what's the things needed to grow a plant. Okay students? So student, I hope all of you understood very clearly today's lesson. and go through this book and fill in the blanks and read the books one time or two times and watch the video two times properly. Okay, so thank you very much students, take care.